This 2-year-old macaw was in trouble. It was raining, the temperature was dropping, it was already 40 degrees, and if we did not save this bird before dark, the bird probably would die by the end of the night. Macaws have to learn to fly down. It had flown up pretty well, which they can do, up about 80 feet into a pine tree. And when it tried to fly down, it did a crash landing across the street into a magnolia tree where we started the rescue. Okay, this is rescue number 112, and this is not a cat, this is a macaw. And this macaw is up in this magnolia tree here, and I cannot see it from the ground, so I'm going to have to free climb this tree, magnolia tree, to get it. But hopefully we'll be able to get it and get it down successfully. So we'll see what happens.
I got it. I'm braced.
You good?
Yep. I'm only 6 feet tall though.
Okay. That's good. All right. The rain continued to pour as I climbed up the magnolia tree. It probably rained an inch and a half during the probably 2 hours that we spent trying to get the macaw down out of the magnolia tree.
Emmy, talk to her.
Finally, we were able to push it out of the magnolia tree into an ash tree, and then push it out of the ash tree back into the magnolia tree, and then push it out of the magnolia tree onto the ground, where they were able to secure it and wrap it up into a blanket and bring it inside with a heater and a warming pad. And the macaw was okay. Successful cat rescue, no, successful bird rescue 112.